Yo, what is good, y'all? Man, do I got something for you guys today. Hey, we got Mac OS 13 running from the same computer that Windows installed on. Okay, I'm going to show you how to have Mac OS 13 and Windows at the same time. Okay, before we do this, you guys, we gotta watch this intro and I'll be back. You guys stay tuned. Yo, what is good, y'all? It's your boy KODIMAN back with another one. What's up, you guys? What's happening? Hopefully everybody's doing well, having a great day, staying safe, blessed, and all those good things above. Okay, man, you guys, so as you've seen before, I showed you guys Mac OS 13. Okay, you guys, this Vmare Workstation is a very powerful thing, you guys. Especially if you got some space on your computer to spare, you guys, man, it will do justice. Okay, I'm going to show you guys today how to take the Mac OS 13 Ventura operating system and to install it on VM Workstation Pro 17. Everything that you need to links will be in the description below. Okay, so you can go ahead and get that. And we can go on little steps, you know, show you guys how to do this, how to get this set up, and how to get that set up. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to download Workstation, VM Workstation. The link is in the description. Okay, and then we're going to go to where it says right here, create a new virtual machine. Okay, so we're going to click on that, and it says welcome to new virtual machine. Okay, so you have typical, which is recommended, and you have custom, which is advanced. Okay, so we're going to stick with typical. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and click next. Okay, now you want to go down here at the bottom, not right here or here. You want to go where it says I'll reinstall operating system later. Virtual machine will be created as a blank hard disk. Okay, so go ahead and click next, and you want to make sure that Apple Mac OS is highlighted. Okay, and then you want to go down and you want to go down to Mac OS 13. Okay, and click on it and make sure it's highlighted right there, and then click next. Okay, so it already created a name for me, virtual machine Mac OS 13. So I'm just going to leave that as is, and this is where the location will go for the virtual machine. Okay, you could put it anywhere you want. You want to browse it, put it somewhere else, you can, but I'll just stick to there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click next, and this is to allow how much space do you want. So we're going to go ahead and click store as single space. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and put, let me see, I'm going to go ahead and put I'm going to put 300 gigabytes, because you know that's a pretty good size to start off with, but you can put whatever you want as long as you got the space. So I'm going to go ahead and click next, and so it reads off everything where the folder is created, everything that you created. So what we're going to do is click finish. Okay, and as you can see, it went on ahead and created the section for Mac OS 13 for me. So we're not done yet, you guys. We got a couple more things to do before we can get this started. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go up here to edit virtual machine and click on it, and you see the top one is memory, which is 4 gigabytes. So you can change yours to whatever you need, but as long as you don't go past that line that it recommends. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just put it right about there, okay? And then you want to keep processor at 2, and I got the hard disk space as 300, okay? And then you want to click CD DV SATA, and you want to go down here. It says where use ISO image, okay? And click on it. Now I'm going to browse for my ISO image. You guys, the link for that is in the description where you can get it. So I'm going to go ahead and browse for it. And it's in my download folder. Okay, so here it is, macOS Venture ISO for VMware. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to click open. Okay, so it knows that that's the ISO image that that I need. Okay, so I'm going to go down here and click OK. Now that is done, you guys. Now we have to go to the folder, and we have to make a few adjustments before we can start installing. Okay, so I'll go ahead and stop this, and we'll go where we left off. Okay, you guys, so this is another section we're going to do. Wherever your virtual machine is placed in your documents, or wherever you put them, you need to go to that virtual machine folder. It'll be right here, you know, say virtual machine. Mine's already been placed in the document, so I left it there. So what you need to do is you need to open up that folder, open up macOS 13, and you want to right click, and you want to highlight the folder, and you want to right click on it and go open with Notepad. Okay, so I have it already open down here. So there's going to be two things that we're going to fix on here. So you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and click to the bottom, click the bottom, okay? And you're going to put in smc.verson, okay? And then you're going to put an equal sign. And then you're going to put a parentheses, and then you're going to put a 0, and then you're going to put another parenthesis sign. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that on the screen for you guys so you guys can see that. Okay, and it has to be all the way at the bottom. Okay, so this is what it, oh wait, mine is wrong. Equal sign. So this is what it should look like, you guys, down here at the bottom. Okay, if you see this is what it's supposed to look like. smc.version equals parentheses 0 parentheses. Okay, and another thing we're going to have to change is this right here. If this is not already there, you need to put in parentheses VMX NXT NET 3 and another parentheses. Okay, right here where it says Internet 0 Virtual Dev, you're going to put VMX NET 3 parentheses. Okay, so that's what you're going to put down there. I'll go ahead and make sure I put put this up for you guys so you guys can have it. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to close this out, and you want to go up there and close it out, and this will come up, and you want to hit save. So we're going to just hit save, and that saved our file. So we're going to go ahead and go to the next step, which is installing it. Okay. All right, you guys. So one more thing we got to do before we start the process. Excuse me. You have to have a locker. Excuse me again. It's listed in the description where you can find it. So you download it and unzip it. So all you want to do is open it up and go down here to where it says unlock. Click on it, and then just click run. And as you can see, it's doing, hold on. So I'm just going to click run. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. So all you have to do is, I have mine already installed. So all you got to do is press any key to continue and then install it. Okay. So you guys go ahead and install that. And then we'll go ahead and start the next step, which is starting installing Mac OS. Alright you guys, so here goes the fun part. We're going to go ahead and get this installed. Okay, so we can go up here to where it says power on virtual machine. Okay, so we're going to power it up for the first time. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to see the Apple logo and everything. Just let it run its course. And then we got a few things more to do after we get it installed. One more thing we got to put in there, which is the tools to make the screen, you know, fit to a normal size, to make sure that the mouse is working correctly and everything is working correctly for Mac OS 13. Okay. Okay, so when it comes to this page right here, this is like the installment page. So you want to choose your language, which mine is English. So go down here to the arrow, which is next, and click next. And then you want to go down. You want to go all the way down to disk utility first. Okay, so click on disk utility and click continue. Now you want to go up here where it says VMware SATA hard drive media. Okay, so what you want to do is you're going to erase this drive so it can be ready to have Mac OS installed on it. Okay, so you want to go up here where it says erase at the top right there and click erase. Okay, and then you want to choose your format. So you want to go all the way down to where it says Mac OS Extended Journal and click on that, and you can leave everything the rest how it is, and you want to click on erase. Okay, all this is going to do is erase the drive so that Mac OS 13 can be installed on it. So it erased it. So click done and go ahead and exit out on this with the red dot, and then go up here where it says install Mac OS 13 beta. Okay, and then click continue. It says set up installment for Mac OS 13 beta. Click continue. So we're going to click continue. And this down here at the bottom, you guys can just press finish install. So you're going to have to agree to the terms. So hit agree, hit agree again. And you're going to see the drive right here that you erased, okay, that has the amount of storage on there for you. So just click on the drive and then click continue. Okay, now you guys, it's going to take, it just very depends on the device that you have. It depends on device that you're installed on. Some go faster, some go slower. Okay, But I'm just gonna stop this until it's done installing, and when it's done installing, then we'll go ahead and resume from there. Okay, you guys, so we are done downloading, installing macOS 13. Okay, and we just got to get this. So we just got to get this set up. So we're gonna go ahead and. So we're just gonna pick our language. Okay. I'm gonna go all the way down because I'm from the United States, but you guys may be from somewhere else. So let me go all the way down, all the way down. Let's see. Here's United States, right here. So I'll highlight that and hit continue. And you guys, the mouse is going to be a little slow at first, but we're going to fix all that. So you can go ahead and just hit continue right here. And then for this, you could just press not now. And then you could just hit continue. And then you can just hit not now for this. Okay. And then you can, if you want to put in your Apple ID now, you can, but I'm just gonna say set up later. And it says, are you sure you want to skip signing without Apple ID? So I'm just gonna hit skip. And then you have to agree to these terms. So I'm just going to click agree. And then you click agree again. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my name. I'm just going to put KODIMAN. And then account name, the same thing. And then I'm just gonna put in my password. And then you have to go over here. Let's see. You have to go up here and verify it. Let's see. So I'm just going to put my password in again. And I'm not going to put no hints down there, so I'm just going to hit continue. And it's actually now creating me an account. And you guys, it's gonna be a little touchy just for now, but we'll get that all fixed. You don't want to enable your location, so just go ahead and just hit continue. And I would put don't use. and you want to put your time zone in. So I'm just gonna put let's see. I'm just gonna put hold on. I'm just gonna put New York. Wait, hold on. Let me see. I'm just gonna put New York. That didn't come out right. Hold on. Let me just hit this. Let me erase this out. And I'm just gonna put New York. So it'll find my it'll search for it. So it's New York, United States. So that's what I'll just use. And I'll click continue. Just hit continue again. And you could set this up later. You'll have plenty of time to play around with it. And kind of like the dark look, but you could choose whatever you want. And I'm gonna hit continue. Hit continue. I like the dark look, you guys. Even on my apps, I'm real like that. So here we go, you guys. It's already up. It's coming up. So here you go. You have macOS 13 Ventura, okay? But there's going to be a slow right now because we didn't install the drivers yet. I'm going to show you in a second, and plus I'm recording, so I'm just going to exit that out. So you see how it's like in a box, you know what I mean? And we're going to go ahead and fix that, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here and click on this. And then we're just gonna suspend it. Okay, so it'll basically shut everything down. All right, you guys. So now that we got it installed and it's coming up, it's looking a little funny. It's gonna run a little funny, but we have to install. See this right here is Darwin. The list it's in the description where you get it. This is the VMware tools for macOS 13. It's gonna come in a folder like this. Just unzip it and put the ISO file right out here in the front where you can see it. Okay, so let's close this out. Let's bring up VMware. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to where it says edit machine, and then we're going to go down here to where let's see, let's just close this machine out first because it's in state mode. Hold on. Let's see. Power off. So I'm just gonna power off the machine. Let's go to edit right here. Click on edit. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to go down here where it says add. Okay, and click on add, and click on where it says CD drive. Okay, and then click finish. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to go click on US ISO image, and you're going to browse wherever that image is that you put. So usually you're going to be in your downloads, so go to your downloads, and here it is Darwin. So you're going to click on that and click open, and then you're going to click OK. Okay, and now we're going to start the machine back up. Okay, okay, you guys, so we're all booted up. So I'm going to go over here and I'm gonna put in my password and hit enter. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's booting up right now. We're gonna wait for that little VMware tool to pop up. It'll probably be popping up here in the corner. And you guys, it'll be a little bit faster on your end. So here is the VMware tools. Okay, remember I told you when we mounted it as ISO. So this is the way you get it on here. So what you do is you click on it, and here is the VMware tools. So you want to click on install VMware tools. And then you're gonna go down here to continue and click continue. And then you're gonna click continue again. And then you're gonna click install. And then it's gonna come up. You're gonna have to put your password in and hit enter. Now you're gonna have to click OK. And then you're going to have to open up security preference. And then you're going to have to go down here to private and security. Just click OK. And then go all the way at the bottom. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you see Vmare is blocked, so hit allow. Then put your password back in there again and hit enter. And then hit not now. And then go ahead and close this out. And then close this out again. And click install VMware tools again. Hit continue. Install. Put your password again. Hit enter. Click OK. It's updating the pre-boot volumes of it. This could take just a couple minutes or so. It'd be a little faster for me if I wasn't recording too, but since I'm recording also, it's a little bit slower. Okay, so it was successfully installed. So you're going to click restart. Yo, what is good, y'all? Man, do I got something for you guys today. Hey, we got Mac OS 13 running from the same computer that Windows installed on. Okay, I'm going to show you how to have Mac OS 13 and Windows at the same time. Okay, before we do this, you guys, we got to watch this intro and I'll be back. You guys stay tuned.